Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. Now if you've got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Dart, and then we'll get it up on a lift and take a close look at the bottom and out on the highway as well. Now as you look across the front, you'll know that the grille did change here to the 70 model from the 69, and this grille is in excellent condition along with the front bumper. Now looking down the side, you'll see these body lines flow beautifully on this car from the front to the rear. Now as we come on around the driver's side, it'll give you a good chance to look at the body. You'll also notice that your gaps around the doors are even and symmetrical, and that this black color scheme is accented by the white vinyl top and the white tail stripe. Now that is the factory color combination for this car, which is pretty rare. Before we go around though, I want you to come up and we'll take a look on the inside. You'll notice that this car is in excellent condition on the interior. As we look across the dash, you'll know that the gauges are in great condition and that it does have the factory tack. You'll even notice that this car does have the 4-speed in it. Now one thing that I love is that it has been upgraded with AC, so that way you're ready to cruise. And as we come on around, you can take a close look at the door panels, seat covers, and the headliner and see that they all appear to have been replaced whenever the restoration was done, and that the dome light is working. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. We'll give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. And as we come across the back, you can take a close look at the rear bumper and see that it appears to have been replaced when the restoration was done, along with the front. As we move on around the passenger side, it'll give you the opportunity to really look at the finish on this Dart. You'll notice that it has been done in the base coat, clear coat, and we made sure that it was polished to this gorgeous shine that you see here. Now the stance on it, it's set off by the 14-inch steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps and the Firestone redline tires. And one of the things I love about the 70 model is that dual scoop hood that you see here. Now this 70 Dart has a killer eye appeal and has a lot to offer on the outside and on the inside, but I know you're going to love what's under the hood as well. So as you come up, we'll take a close look at this 340 engine. Now this car does feature the numbers matching engine, and it does have power steering as well. You'll notice that everything has a gorgeous detail under the hood, and as I alluded to earlier, you can see that it does have AC. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Dart, I'll get it pulled around there and we'll get it on a lift for you as well. Remember, if you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'll get this Dart and we'll get it up there on the lift for you. Once we're through there, we'll get it out on the highway as well. Now that we have this Dart up on the lift, we can take a closer look at the driveline as well as the floors and frame. You'll notice that the frame and pans appear to be original, rock solid, and detailed with the factory undercoating. Under the front, we can see that along with the power steering, this Dart also looks to have had the suspension updated with new bushings and ball joints. The 340 engine, well, it's mated to the 4-speed transmission and the 8 3/4 rear end with around 323 gears. As you can see, the gas tank has been replaced along with the fuel lines, and for exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and Flowmaster mufflers. Before we get it out on the highway, we can take one more close look at how solid all the floors are in this Dart.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.